Whoa, 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 whoa. What is that? Oh, it's a fly. I thought that was a bee. Welcome back to another video. So we are still in the midst of getting this 190E started by itself and running by itself. This will hopefully be the last thing we have to do, which is pretty much ignition change and alternator change. This is probably the last maintenance job for this 190E as of now, and then we will get into kind of the good stuff of building this 190E. I've kind of changed up the plans for the Merc. So yeah, the next thing will be bags. I'm just trying to get funds and stuff for the bags. I did not realize how expensive bags were. That's going to take a few weeks to get the bags, plus get them shipped out and stuff. So yeah, it's going to be exciting, but it's a journey. Not a lot of people have been watching these videos, but hopefully you guys stick around to see the good stuff. Let's get into this because I haven't driven this in like a month, so and I miss driving this thing. Quite roomy in here, so I am loving this. So we got the spark plugs there, ignition coil is on this side, this one right here, and alternator should be on this side, this right here. Get this alternator out first. Let's get into it by clicking that subscribe button down below and also that like button while you're there. The thing I need to do is loosen this belt here. Apparently this little bolt there, and also a tensioner bolt that's down here. Let's try it. Let's see if anything breaks. I just started and I already dropped something into the engine bay. Oh wow! Okay, so I think I know why the belt was slipping and flapping, was because this tensioner isn't even tensioned, like it's not even tight. Wow, that could have ended really badly. Okay, this should be super loose. That slips right off. Okay, let's actually hold on. Okay, I need to draw a diagram for this before I forget. Here is my lovely diagram. I've got power steering and aircon, so all the good bits. This looks like such a mess. Okay, we got it, we got it. Oh, please don't break the fan. Don't break the fan. Okay. Oh, okay. We're good. Alternator is held on by 2 bolts, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it's just like any other alternator. So there's just some connectors at the back here. Holy crap. That's full rusted on. Alright, we have success. Just gonna take this one out. Look how rusted that is. Jeez. What was that? There's so many things that has fallen. This isn't it, chief. Oh my gosh. This alternator has never been changed. There's no clearance between this freaking bolt and this bracket. This alternator is a pain in the ass. Come on. Okay, so, I'm tired. Okay, this is a coolant line. Let's be careful. Alternator is out. That alternator defeated me. Oh, my back hurts. The newer one is bigger than the older one. Seeing how the bolts and the nuts were, I'm assuming this one is the OEM one, so it's never been changed. Let's put this new one in and then we'll wrap up this alternator job, move on to the next one and see if this one actually starts. Oh, come on. Alright, it's in. Well, not in, but it's in the engine bay. Let's tighten this one. New alternator, let's go. Now that's in, just gonna put on the old serpentine belt and then start on the ignition stuff. So this one is number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. What was it again? Okay, sweet. Hopefully I have the right socket size for the spark plugs. I'm really unprepared for a new car. Timing belt is on and tensioned. Twist, pull. Nice. Oh my gosh. That's scary. The spark plugs aren't too bad. So the shortest one is obviously number 1. Thank you to all who have made it this far. This is the reality of a car build that you just bought. The start of the Mercedes build. I know I'm not getting a lot of views on it. It's not fun, it's not exciting, but it's fun. I enjoy this stuff. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. These guides annoy me, but it looks nice when it's all done. I still keep hitting my head on this thing. It's cool, looks cool, but damn, it's annoying. I love this 1/4 inch ratchet set. It's so good. I've used this so many times. Okay, hold on, whoa, wait, don't drop, do not drop. Oh! Now you can drop. Drop tap, raindrop, drop tap. Ignition coil out. Here's some ASMR for you guys. They look the same. That is what we want. Washer. Obviously the ground has to go to the body. I'm assuming the bigger one is on this one, the small one's on that one. Kind of common sense, because this little stud here is bigger than this one, so it makes sense. Cars aren't that hard. You just need a little bit of common sense and logic. We are done. Now for the final part. Let's try to start the car. Let's see how it does. Hopefully it starts. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Click that subscribe button down below before I start the car. Wish me luck. I think the last big maintenance job for the Merc. Thank you guys so much for coming on this maintenance journey for the Mercedes. Big things are coming. Yes, I know big things are coming, but trust me, we are just starting this build. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and click that subscribe button and like button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.